Hi friends, you are on Horrormaker channel and Horrormaker is with you. You of course remember the story of how I made a robot dog and it turned into an SCP dog 023. Who remembers the story, put likes. And who does not remember, be sure to watch it. I will leave a link to the video in the description. After this incident, I realized that someone was intentionally harming me, and in order to find and neutralize the enemies, I decided to turn to the coolest detective of our time, and this is Lance Sterling. Do you know him? Who knows put like? So Lance kindly agreed to investigate what is happening in my plasticine kingdom and why my plasticine stopped obeying me. Yes, dear Horrormaker, I will help you. Tomorrow morning I will start the investigation. And now I would like to rest a bit from the journey, if you don't mind. Of course, Lance. Have some sleep. Good night. Good morning, Lance. How did you sleep? Lance! Oh God! I'm in shock. What shall we do? My plasticine is infected with a virus. Someone eliminated the detective. Everything is lost. Dear Horrormaker, you know how much I love order and discipline. If something becomes known to me about who is harming your work, I will immediately inform you about it. Thanks, Miss T. I hope that soon everything will become clear. What shall we do? Sculpt another figure that will turn into an SCP object.
Hey, belay that! Stop crying!
Who's there?
It's me, Detective Pikachu.
Detective Pikachu? But I don't see anyone.
That's right. You don't see me because I'm not there yet. Now you're going to sculpt me.
I cannot. My plasticine.
Set aside mumbling. I know everything. Start sculpting. I'm not afraid to turn into an SCP object. Fun to be in the shoes of an anomalous object. Well, why are you slowing down? Come on, sculpt quicker. general, you understand? I infiltrate the SCP group like I'm one of them. Don't you think it's a brilliant idea? I'll find out what's what, who is driving everything here, and what happened to your clay, and who went to war with you.
Yes, you're just a genius. I hope you can help me. Yeah, cool. We got this detective lens out. Yeah, at first I scared him. And then I grabbed his legs. And then I trapped him and turned it into a piece of plasticine. Hopefully, the Horrormaker workshop will soon become a true branch of the SCP Foundation. And who is that our chief sculpting today? Hope it isn't Tails Foxy again. Well, firstly, I'm the boss here, and secondly, in spite of the fact that he sculpts a cutie, but still an SCP object. Oh, it seems this is my relative cutie. Yeah. I hope we make friends with her.
Ну Пикачу,
it
кажется,
seems
ты
you're
готов.
ready.
Hush, hush, don't call me Pikachu. Say loudly that you made another SCP object.
Well, it seems the next SCP object is ready. Well, Nyasha, these are your colleagues' SCP objects. Hi guys, I'm an Object 682, Nyasha. I hope to make friends. Welcome, Nyasha, to our team. I'm an invulnerable reptile. Well, friends, you yourself see what a mess is happening in my plasticine kingdom. I hope Pikachu will help me. The important thing is for him not to be declassified. That's all for today. See you soon. Horrormaker was with you. Bye bye.